Hello everybody, today we make rock lamb. Now for the ingredients, I got black pepper, salt, mint from my garden, rosemary from my garden, thyme from my garden, fresh garlic from my garden. I gotta use mustard and I gotta flake hot pepper. And I don't want to forget the lamb. First thing, I want to start to chop my garlic. Okay, now we got the mint. I want to take some leaves of the mint. I gotta chop. And I got over here the rosemary. And we take the leaves out for the rosemary. And I got thyme. And the only thing I do, I take the leaves out for the thyme. I do like that. Okay. Now the smell, it's so beautiful, it's so good smell. Now I want to chop really thin everything over here. Now look at this, how nice and thin it is. Now we take the garlic and we mix it together with the leaves over here. Now I got the flake of hot pepper and we put over here together. I need salt and black pepper. Okay. And now this I mix like that and we put this on the side like this. Now we take the rock lamb and I put it right over here, like this. And we gotta use now mustard first. And I put it right over here. And we spread all over like this on the lamb, on the rock lamb. Okay, now we put all the spice like this on the top, like that. And we do like this a little bit. And I got more spice. And we use over here, like that. Because this give a really, really good taste. The rosemary, the thyme, the mint, the garlic, everything. Now, we put this right on this dish. And we leave more garlic over here. And now I gotta cover it with a plastic wrap and leave it marinate in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Like this, it tastes much, much better when it stays together a couple hours. Oh, wait a while. I got already. I prepared this morning. And look how beautiful it look already. Look there. Huh? And this, it can go straight in the oven at 400 degrees. No cook it too long. You gotta be little medium rare. Cause like this, the lamb, it be so happy. And he said to me, Pasquale, thank you very much, okay, you know, put well done. Okay, now we started with the rock lamb, and we put it right inside this pots over here. And we put a little drop oil. Okay. And now on the side with the rock lamb, I want to put some of the potato. In the potato, I want to put all the spice on the potato too. And we started with the salt. black pepper, oil, I got my hot pepper, flake hot pepper. I got a garlic. And I got over here rosemary, a thyme. And now we give a nice mix. Okay, now we put the potato right over here next to the lamb. All right, we give a little, and look how beautiful it look already. Now this, you gotta go in the oven for 40-45 minutes. The potato and the lamb, you cook the same time. Yeah, I got the oven already on 400 degrees. Okay, now it's 40 minutes. And let's see my rack lamb. It look beautiful. We close the oven again. And let me take out. And I want to leave it rest for 10 minutes. Okay, now what I do, I cover it with aluminum foil. Nice. And I like to put my potato back in the oven. Gets almost cooked to the potato. We give a little shake. Good. At the time of this for 10 minutes, relax over here my lamb, the potato be ready. Okay, now the potato is done. It's already time to take out. Wow. Look how beautiful it look. Okay, now let's take my rack lamb. And I put right over here. Look how beautiful it look. Ain't no nice? All right, now I want to chop one for me. And let's see. Ah, look how beautiful. Mwah. Really good. Look at this, how nice and juicy. Cook perfetto, perfect. And the potato. Look how beautiful the potato now. Potato, really hot. Before I eat the potato, let's do salute e cincin everybody. Today it's a beautiful day. It's really good for this rack lamb. Salute, cincin. Good, not the potato. It's so delicious. The lamb, it come out number one. Really, really good. And I want to say to everybody, salute e cincin ad everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you. I want to make this stove. I was buying 2019.
How old is it?
It's like 25 years old.
So you're getting it ready for the video so it looks good?
Yeah. Hello everybody, today we make a rack lamb. Bah. No cook too long. After so that you cook too long, the lamb you no do no more. Bah. And look at you, you told me to say like this. We stop. My son, he got bleh! Bleh!
And Diana said I should do this to get rid of hiccups. What are you about to do? I think it went away. Wait, did it go away?
I don't know. Let's see.
Oh,
Oh no! Come on, we gotta film.
Film if I'm hiccuping in the background.
Ah.